What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we have something very cool. We're gonna do 5 cool tools from Crescent, right?
Alright, cool.
So, Crescent, what do you know about Crescent?
They're owned by Apex. Apex has got a lot of experience. They do a lot of things like gear wrench, anything from, like we've talked about, really high-end stuff that's on assembly lines where it's very tight tolerance, stuff like that. So
cool. Yeah, and been around forever, you guys. Crescent invented the Crescent Wrench, obviously, but now they're getting more into like just innovation, right? Doing innovative things with their tool brand. So let's just talk about the 5 cool tools that we recently saw that you can get at Home Depot, and I believe you can also get some at Lowe's. Pump pliers, right? What do you think about these pump pliers?
I think they're cool. I like them. I like the grips and all that. And one cool feature, which I didn't know until you told me, tell them.
Yes, that's right cool. Here, you guys, see that curvature? So you can put it around pipe and not mar the pipe as you're turning it. So PVC, plastic, something like that, you know, because otherwise, you know, it might rip through it, leave marks. This is not going to. So that's kind of cool.
I could have actually used those the other day. I was working with black pipe, but I'm making a railing. So it's already painted and everything, and some of them I had to really tighten down, and I tried to put a towel, but then that doesn't grip. That would have been nice. Yeah,
it's cool, and it just gives you a whole another option of a kind of a no marring gripping plier, right? Pump pliers, very cool. Next, Eric, is the X2, right? It just looks like your normal pair of needle nose, right? Well, what's the biggest situation when you have a needle nose and you got to get into a tight area? So here's your tight area. You got to get into it, right?
It's just opening them too to have that room, and getting far down in there.
As you open it, it gets wider, so you can only go to a certain depth. They've solved that with the X2. Boom! Look at that. Full open, minimal.
Yeah, that's cool.
Travel.
That's really cool.
So
great for automotive stuff like that, I think too.
Yeah, and I think they adapted this from Gear Wrench, you guys, which is another Apex company. But they've definitely, you know, did some crazy nice grips on it. And I have the Gear Wrench version also. I've had it for years. It's just a great tool. Next is the Crescent Wrench, right? This is a Crescent Wrench, correct?
Correct.
So
with a twist.
With a twist, right. They've added a locking plier function. So it's basically like a pair of locking pliers with an adjustable jaw up here, right? So most locking pliers, you have that twisty thing. You gotta, you know, adjust it. This, you can adjust it right here, get to your work, lock it in, and you have a gripping power. So the guys next door actually used it to pull out pins out of brake calipers. It had enough grip to do that. The jaws are serrated.
Which I notice usually they're very smooth. You know, I kind of like that on there.
Right. So, I mean, and you know, some people are like, oh, that's just gimmicky, that's this, that. There are really good applications for this, you know? This is just, it's a cool take on an old tool, right? Last but not least, if you follow us on Instagram and all that stuff, you've definitely seen this before. It is the miter angle snips, right? You can cut plastic, hose, whatever you want with this. But the great thing about it is it has your miter gauges in it. And you can just, when you're cutting, so if I want a 90, I just go like this. So, obviously, it actually cut nice. But
yeah,
here,
I'll
cut it really nice. So, like right here. Here for you guys. Ready? This is not the trim that I was cutting before. This is a different kind of trim.
No, it's the same. It's the trim you got.
This is foam trim.
No, that's what you ended up buying yesterday.
Really?
That's what I was asking you about. You're like, yeah, it works.
Oh, no, dude. Something's wrong with this trim. Okay, either or, whatever. We'll show you guys B-roll of it. It's just, now, think about this, right? You're doing trim. It's got to be that lightweight trim. If you got, like, oak trim.
No, you want, like, the pine.
Yeah, if you got pine trim, you could trim out a basement, man, with this tool in seconds. Not seconds, but I get
what you mean. You're saving a lot. You're saving a lot of time.
Yeah, because you got to get up, go to the saw, remake the cut, or you have a coping saw down, or whatever you do, however you do it, dude. This, you just click, click. You have your 2 perfect angles mitered right on there, and you're in place. So you can sit on the floor, move across the floor, just have the wood behind you, and chink, chink, chink.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, exactly. I like it. No, I think that's cool. Because guess what? You know, all the trim that I've been doing in the house, like you said, I'm getting up, I'm using the miter saw, going back down. It sucks. As you get older, it sucks getting up and down all the time, you know, so that is nice.
Yeah, and you guys, there's a lot of imposters of this tool. You do find them on Amazon. Just make sure you go with the Crescent Whisk version. Only because this is built heavy, it's heavier duty. Those cheap ones are not going to get through the material and probably break on you. So cool innovation from Crescent. I don't know, man. Crescent's just a lot different than they used to be. You know, they're really popping onto the scene. They got this new branding, and they're just really trying to get it out there that, hey, you know, we got more than just Crescent wrenches, and this is it. This is a perfect example. So comment below, you guys, on what you like. What do you think of these tools? Do you like this little new series we're doing? We're going to do like the 5 coolest tools from each brand. So
I think that's cool. I really like that. That's a nice feature to have in there for the pipe.
For the pipe?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what good for too? Okay, we're putting up these floating shelves, right? And we're using black pipe.
Oh.
Right? So it's all painted and nice, and you got to turn it into the socket right there, man.
For the black pipe.
Yeah.
I didn't think about that one.
Yeah.
I should have mentioned that with my banner at the beginning of the, or my banister at the beginning of this video.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
You talked about it? I don't know. It's one of those days. Peace out, you guys. Hashtag TA Crew wherever you go. Don't forget to go. Hashtag TA Crew.
Wherever you go.
Wherever you go.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.